Mind your own business. Noah is with me. We don't need you. Look at me, everybody! I am the best!
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Dad. Can I help make breakfast today?
Morning, champ. Did you sleep well?
Whatever, make me pancakes.
I just wanted to help. Only to help.
Oops.
It is okay. I will clean it up. Mom, let me carry those. They look so heavy.
Mind your own business. Noah is with me. We don't need you.
I brought you some water, Mom. You must be tired.
I didn't tell you to bring it. Now that you have, just give it here.
She was never truly seen as their child. No matter what she did, she was always treated as less than Noah, like she didn't belong. Lily tried again and again, pouring her heart into making them accept her. But nothing changed. But then one day, something happened that changed everything.
What a beautiful day for a ride. Yeah, the sun feels great. Watch out, there's a pothole ahead.
Shalele. Mom, don't move. I am here. You are going to be okay, I promise. Hello? Please. My mom had a bad accident on Maple Street. She cannot stand up. Please, hurry.
She is fine. It is just a scratch. The ambulance is not even necessary.
Noah, she cannot walk. Over here. Please hurry. Her leg is hurt and she cannot stand.
We have her, sweetheart. You did a great job calling us.
Please be okay, Mom. Please be okay.
She will be fine. The leg is not broken, just a bad sprain.
Thank goodness. I made you chicken soup, Mom. It is your favorite. I added extra ginger. Dad said it helps with pain.
You made this for me? After the way we have treated you?
Of course, Mom. You are my family.
Lily did more for this family today than we have ever done for her. I am ashamed of myself.
It's okay, Dad.
We must treat Lily exactly as we treat Noah. No more difference, not ever again.
Good morning, Noah. Mom made extra pancakes. Do you want some?
Whatever.
A gentle reminder for everyone, daughters are a true blessing. Whether they are your own by birth or not, they deserve kindness, respect, and care. If you found this message meaningful, please support the video by liking it and subscribing to the channel.
Why is everybody suddenly so obsessed with her? She is not even really family. Look at me, everybody! I am the best!
Noah, are you hurt? Can you hear me? Tell me where it hurts.
You came for me, even after everything I did.
Of course I came. We are family. Family always helps each other, no matter what.
Lily? Can I come in? There is something I need to say.
I have been really mean to you for a long, long time, and I'm sorry.
I forgive you, Noah. I forgave you a long time ago.
Kindness is not weakness. It is the greatest strength a person can have.
Remember, always be kind to your family, even when it is hard. Love them without keeping score. That is how you build a real home.
Thank you for watching. If this story touched your heart, please share it with someone you love. And never forget to be kind.